Is it snowing? What do you think? Is it cold? Lincoln, can you say snow? Say snow. Say snow. Tell me, what's it? Snow. Good. Say it again. Snow.
Snow.
Did you make footprints in the snow, Landon?
Yeah.
All right. Are you going to make a snowball?
What?
Are you going to make a snowball?
No. There's not a lot of snow to make a snowball.
Oh.
But Mommy, why is all the snow not coming up yet?
Takes a long time. Who gave us the snow?
God.
Was that a nice surprise?
Yeah. Oh, no.
Look at Daddy's car. What happened, Lincoln? Say snow. Snow. What is it?
I like to play in snow. Like, can you make a snowball? Mommy, can you make a snowball?
What you got there, Lando?
Snowball.
What is it?
Snowball.
What are you going to do?
Throw it.
Where are you going to throw it? Go for it. Yeah!
I like